Carnival Cruise Line is revealing a new Miami-themed zone aboard Carnival Celebration, which will arrive to Port Miami this November. More information, right after this. Carnival has announced a new Miami-themed zone aboard Carnival Celebration, which is named after the address of Carnival's original headquarters. On Deck 8, in the same location as La Piazza on sister ship Mardi Gras, 820 Biscayne will celebrate the culture, architectural styles and flavors of the home city where the line was founded in 1972. On Deck 8, in the same location as La Piazza on sister ship Mardi Gras, 820 Biscayne will feature a similar layout and venues but with influences and design elements that reflect the urban meets laid-back vibes of Miami, perfect for relaxing and people watching or enjoying fresh sea air and ocean views. Bringing Miamian food and beverage offerings to the fleet, 820 Biscayne will feature Bar 820, a half-inside, half-outside retro-inspired bar that will feature a vintage cool design with grab-and-go Cuban and specialty coffees for early risers on their way outside for some morning sunshine, as well as Miami-inspired tropical frozen drinks and creative martinis day and night. Deco Deli. Designed as a nod to Miami's Art Deco mecca with colorful fonts and signage, the space will serve more than the classic deli sandwiches with an expanded menu that also highlights Miami staples including the Cubano, pork, ham, Swiss cheese and mustard, a croqueta sandwich, ham and cheese croqueta, shaved ham and pickles, and pan con lechon, slow-cooked pulled pork, melted onion and mojo sauce, all on Cuban bread. Miami Slice. Continuing to give guests the 24-hour pizza they know and love, the always popular walk-up spot will offer authentic, fresh from the oven and hand-tossed slices of cheesy goodness amid a contemporary and vibrant decor reminiscent of the late-night eateries on Miami's bustling Ocean Drive. Throughout this zone, guests will experience a unique take on Miami, combining elements from its past with its present. From beautiful artwork to fun photo opportunities like posing with flamingos on skateboards, guests will feel like they're truly walking around the 305. Miami has been our home for 50 years, and in bringing a brand new ship to its port, we wanted to show some extra love to the city that helped us become who we are today, said Christine Duffy, president of Carnival Cruise Line. Carnival Celebration will celebrate all things Carnival, intertwining where we have been with where we are going, and we can't think about where we started without thinking about Miami and all of the fun that it represents. We wanted to continue to give our guests the delicious and fun offerings they know and love from Mardi Gras, but with new identities that pay tribute to the rich culture of Miami, a city that is so special to all of us, said Ben Clement, Senior Vice President of New Builds, Refurbishment and Product Innovation. Miami is a one-of-a-kind city with many different sides to it, so we tried to capture all of that in 820 Biscayne, from the tropical feel and original Art Deco designs that can still be found on Miami Beach today to the modern city look of Brickell, and of course, with a huge emphasis on the delicious flavors throughout. Guests can still expect to find their favorites in the zone like Rudy's Sea Grill, which was introduced on Mardi Gras, and Cucina del Capitano, which will be redesigned with a new look and feel that reflects the sleek and airy restaurants often found in Miami. Carnival Celebration will be the second Carnival ship to be powered by a liquefied natural gas (LNG) propulsion system, part of Carnival Corporation's green cruising platform, and will include an award-winning roller coaster at the top of the ship. Celebration will debut in November from the redesigned state-of-the-art Terminal F at Port Miami, the line's third terminal at the port and its largest in South Florida. The terminal will be among the first to be shore power ready in 2023. Additional details and zones on Carnival Celebration will be revealed in the coming months leading up to the ship's inaugural sailing from Miami on November 21. For additional information on Carnival Cruise Lines or to book your next cruise, give us a call at 330-968-4300. Added to our cruise text information list, send us a text with the word cruise to 305-574-9213. It's totally free and you can opt out at any time. See you next time, up on the Lido deck.